Hey guys, so this is my first YouTube video on this channel and my name is Jess, and if you're wondering why my YouTube channel is called Millie Plays MSP, it's because all of my friends they call me Minnie because I'm like the smallest, and ever since that it just became my nickname and I really like it, so I just decided to name my YouTube channel that. But my real name is Jess, and I am going to be recording MSP videos for you guys. So this is my new account. I've been playing MSP since 2012. I've been playing for a long time, but most of my accounts have been hacked and so I just decided to start fresh and make a YouTube channel, and it's going to be so much fun to record videos for you guys. So please subscribe to my channel, and I'm basically going to give you a mini tour on my channel so you guys can see everything. And here's my username. I think I already said that, I can't remember. But it's only level 5 because obviously this account is new. So here is my profile. So I've got all of this stuff, and then I don't know if I'm going to make a movie or not because to be honest I really can't be bothered. And I don't really think anyone even watches my movies anyway, so there's really no point, but it really just looks nice in the profile. But yeah, and please add me obviously because I only have 9 friends. This used to be my main account if you were wondering. Well, not my main, but I made it 2 days ago, and it had a lot of nice stuff, so I just basically sent all of those stuff to this new account, and I really like this new account. It's I don't know what the theme is. I guess it's kind of aesthetic, but also girly girl as well. I don't know, it's really nice. And then I've got 2 lips. Oh no, okay, never mind. I've got 2 lips, but anyways, I've just got these. I hate these eyes so much. I used to always do blue eyes. I never did brown eyes, so I thought why not go for a change and do brown, so that's what I did. So yeah, it does have quite a lot of looks and clothes because obviously this account had loads of clothes, so I just sent all of those clothes to this new account. And also when it's Easter I might get VIP because hopefully they do the Easter sale, so I might get VIP. I don't know which one I'm going to get though. I might get 1 year, hopefully I do, but if not then I'm going to get the 3 months, which is just as good, so I don't really mind which one, but obviously hopefully I get the 1 year. So yeah, that is really it for this video. Oh, and the animations, it only has 1 because I basically spent all my money on the makeover. But yeah, that's really it for this video, and sorry for any background noises. It's just my hamster. She is in the background and she just does whatever. She loves to be chewing the bars, so I'm sorry if you can hear that. But anyways, hopefully you enjoy this video, and hopefully subscribe and smash that thumbs up button. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.